Criminology is about understanding crime and criminal nature. What happened at 10:05 a.m. that caused an entire neighborhood to riot? What issues fuel human trafficking? What motivates hate crime? You have to understand how each and every component, how each piece of the puzzle contributed to a crime. Was it the social landscape, the economic situation? Was it their environment or the people around them? What causes these factors to come together at this point in time? It's about discovering those paths and those questions in the hope that they will lead you to the answers you need to make your city and this world a safer place.